Hadin ke jingmi kubor ki hamsaya ba arngot ki amali ka Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress ki la ban mi naka party balon penikon ye election na kwepat ki party uba Charles Pongrop ubade president ka Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress uloong ba ka party kamla ban nei namar ba ka shong hakamon jung ki briusimet habai krem iklat thai kubor uba Charles uloong ba ka party kamla ban bat ye noino ki bukwa ban mi no naka party hendai kum ka party kanyele ban kantie yuladi nakmanta ka jingkala.
As of now, I have not received any official written communique indicating that they will be leaving. But like I said, it is anybody's wish. Those who want to stay, those who want to join, those who want to leave, you cannot stop them. But it is up to the party to ensure that we project ourselves as a change. Then automatically you will see that many will like to join our party. And in the last few months I have seen that the number of joinees who are coming to our party has been increasing, I wouldn't say quite rapidly. We have now under 36 constituencies almost covered about 24. But at the same time, somehow in Meghalaya state, it's a very different type of a situation. I remember in Manipur when I was in charge as secretary of the ICC, for every seat we had 5-6 candidates just wanting to fight for the ticket. Here it is not like that. Even if you pull him from his house and dragging him and beat him and threaten to shoot him in the head, he will not come. Or he or she for that matter. Somehow there is something that is acting as a deterrent to many candidates, many younger generation who, like for me, I should have been retiring by now. But there is no one to take your place. But that should change. I feel the youth should come out. One question they have all raised is financially too thick. I says no. Why didn't you try it without finance? You never know. If you are sincere in what you're trying to do, people will follow you. It's a very small percentage of the population who will try and will vote for you only if you give them the certain perks and facilities, but not everybody. So that is how we should approach. I want the educated to come. Unless you have the young and the educated, how will you get a different vision for the state? We are set in our ideas. For us to change at this age is difficult. But for youth, it's very possible. When I first joined, I was 42. I became minister at 42. But that actually is quite old. The 30s should be the generation to rule the state. And they're all educated. They have a vision. They are the urge to serve. That is more important.